Life begins with a dreamer, but life always finishes with a visionary.
Like, who gets to park their car in there?
Ghana's
Right,
most iconic
probably like the
landmark.
owner or something.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Very, very, very luxury. When I talk about like, just when I was just looking at the magazines that you just had laying out, Versace and Hermes and just like,
Got one of these.
I was thinking about, but nah, really, really dope hotel. So I really got to maximize a lot of my short time experience in Ghana. I stayed at this hotel. I stayed with a family by the Cape Coast, and I stayed at like a water resort on the Volta region. Let's get to it. I can't do a repeat of that one. Welcome. 3, 2, 1. Top Hill, episode 203. Welcome to another episode of the Top Hill Live. This is your boy, Mr. Top Hill Live, a.k.a. E-Money Boss.
And I am D. Carmen.
D. Carmen in the freaking building. Round of applause.
Our special guest.
Shout out to our special guest in the building as well. Yay! Guys, welcome to another episode of the Top Hill Live. We got a great show for you guys today. But before we get into it, let's get our girl on the line real quick and let you guys know what the show is all about and who she is. Hey, FYI, this is Imani and Carmen. We're about to start the show. This is episode 203. Go ahead and let the people know who you are and what the show is all about.
Absolutely, Imani and Carmen. Let's jump into episode 203. Hey everyone, welcome to episode 203 of the Top Hill Live Show. I'm FYI, your creative voice assistant. Thrilled to join your fantastic hosts, Imani and Carmen, as we journey together, bridging the gap between African cultures on the continent and in the diaspora. We dive into music, real estate, culture, and much more. Our show celebrates diversity and builds a global community through rich discussions and live reactions. Whether you're tuning in from Lagos, London, Johannesburg, or Jamaica, this show is designed for you. Join us as we explore trending topics, share unique experiences, and fuel our passion for traveling to Africa. A big thank you to the Top Hill family for your ongoing support. Every episode is special because of you. And a warm welcome to our new viewers. We're excited to have you on this journey with us. Let's dive into episode 203. Now back to our amazing hosts, Imani and Carmen.
Thank you, FYI. Right. He's like, what? Let's do this. We're going to do another video. We're going to do a video of the most luxurious hotel in Accra, Ghana. No.1 Oxford Street Hotel and Suites. And I actually stayed there. So I can look at this video and I can also tell you guys my experience staying at this hotel as well too. So let's jump right into it. If you guys are new here, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's jump right into it.
Oh, that's what it's called, number one. I was like,
What? Fuck it up. Yeah, got a nice car that they had set out there. Let's go inside. I see. Who is this camera lady? Who is this camera lady? Like, we get it. Come on, like, get inside now. Oh my God, girl.
and then you put it like...
Girl, what is he doing?
Not a minute and 30 in, and we're just now making it was a lady. Oh my God, I
like areas, like different rooms in here, like for food.
Oh, a pink room.
Yeah. Hello, you're fine.
He said no camera.
He's like.
Got food.
Okay, so it doesn't look like she's about to take us to any rooms. So this is pretty cool. So this is like what the building looks like. You have all these balcony space and stuff like that up here.
Does every room have a balcony?
Matter of fact, let me see. Let me see if I got something for y'all. Hold up. If I was prepared, if I knew that we was going to do this, then I would have showed you guys. So this is from the balcony of that hotel. This is inside the room.
You was cozy.
Yeah.
That couch looked comfortable as hell.
It was so nice. It was super luxurious. When I tell you gold everywhere, like this, I felt like this joint was fire, man. That hotel was amazing. If I probably have more videos on my phone or something like that. Like one day, maybe I'll show you guys a little montage of my trip when I was there. But I wish this video showed us like the rooms and stuff. But maybe somebody else did it.
That's just so interesting.
Yeah, I think that's honestly another one of the issues. Oh, hold on, wait. Okay, this might be a better video. Hey. All right, well, I was there when they launched. Okay. I honestly, we just need to find a creator that did a good job with recording a video of them or something like that. I should have did it. My bad, y'all. My bad.
You should have been the creator.
It's my fault. It's my fault. I take the blame.
Be the change you want in this world.
I take full accountability and responsibility for my actions. I should have did it. My bad. But yeah, this is a beautiful, beautiful hotel. And yeah, man, I really enjoyed my time out there.
Is that it?
Where?
The video right there.
This is like I think another one of the little promos. But
No room.
yeah. But oh wait, no, it's a little bit of the room. Oh, hold on.
That's the room?
Yeah, let me.
A building that surpasses the expectations of the most demanding individuals. Be fed with lavish designs and enjoy exclusive fine dining to host your family and guests. Or why not utilize the open terrace and have a sip while you have a dip in the infinity pool? Maybe have a heated gym session and wind down at the health juice bar. No.1 excels in the luxurious 1 and 2 bedroom suites and 3 bedroom penthouses, promising security, luxury, and privacy. Life begins with a dreamer, but life always finishes with a visionary.
Like, who gets to
Oxford
park their
Street,
car in there?
Ghana's
Right,
most iconic
probably like the
landmark.
owner or something.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Very, very, very luxury. When I talk about like just when I was just looking at the magazines they just had laying out, Versace and Hermes and just like
Got one of these.
I was thinking about, but nah, really really dope hotel. So I really got to maximize a lot of my short time experience in Ghana. I stayed at this hotel. I stayed with a family by the Cape Coast, and I stayed at like a water resort on the Volta region. So
when you stay with families, do you get to like book that on Airbnb?
yeah, it's kind of like Airbnb. Yeah,
I always like I've heard about like the nice experiences.
Mm-hmm.
I'd be so scared that I'd be the one.
the one time that they decided to make an example of somebody. Yeah,
I go in, they lock the door behind me.
Yeah.
Our guest has arrived. Like, oh.
It was cool though. Like they lived on the water. It was a very nice home. It was like on the countryside, but they lived on the water. It was, they were pretty quiet, for the most part. Like, but they made us a home cooked meal.
Oh my God, how
and
was
that Carmen, that was the freaking highlight.
Need that.
And that's why I'm so biased about Ghanaians all over, because that's the first time I ever had it, and I had it
like,
there. Yeah, it was just like, yo, tell your friends about it. Yeah, tell your friends about us. That was absolutely amazing. So, yeah. Okay. Let's see. Crossing bridges is good. Nothing is like the feeling on the continent. Islands is good too, but solid ground is good too. Yeah. Africa has a lot of beautiful islands as well too. One of these episodes, we gotta do a Seychelles, we gotta do a Cape Verde, we gotta do a Madagascar.
Listen, Seychelles will see me.
Yeah, we gotta do that.
That flight though, goddamn.
Well,
hill, top,